Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you Rajasthan High Court judgment containing 720 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. The dictation will fluctuate between the speed of 85 to 95 words per minute. So get ready, 3 seconds. Start. Where the High Court reversed acquittal of the accused therein and the accused filed appeal there against before the Supreme Court. Stop. Allegation in that case was that accused Prakash was present at the house of the deceased at about 1 p.m. on 5/11/1990 and was thus last seen with him. Stop. The Supreme Court concluded that it does not necessarily follow that he was present at 8 p.m. at deceased's house on that day. Stop. There was thus absence of some degree of trustworthiness and certainty about Prakash's presence at deceased's house at that point of time. Stop. The Supreme Court held that the view taken by the trial court giving benefit of doubt to the deceased was plausible view, and in the absence of any perversity in the view taken, the High Court ought not to have upset the conclusion arrived at. Stop. The second circumstance relied against the accused by learned trial court is the attribution of motive to the accused in the terms that the deceased on that date received a sum of rupees 1050 as her wages. Stop. In this regard, Sohan Singh PW2 has stated that his wife used to work in a mine and on that day she had gone to collect her wages. Stop. In cross examination, he stated that all the ornaments on the body of his wife were found intact. Stop. Salim Ali PW22, who was working as a mason in the mineral factory of Arvind Kumar Garg situated at Ladpura Road, has stated that his owner has a mine of mica. Stop. Wages of the laborers used to be paid between 1st and 10th of every month. Stop. His owner, while leaving for Jhunjhunu on 7/9/2007, gave rupees 13,000 to him for distribution of wages. Stop. On that day, he paid a sum of rupees 12,775 to 12 laborers, including Geeta. Stop. Details of the distributed sum were maintained in the account books, copy of which was produced as Exhibit P41. Stop. This documents shows that a sum of rupees 1050 was paid to Geeta at the rate of rupees 70 per day for 15 days towards her wages. Stop. But then the police has not recovered any such amount from the possession or even at the instance of accused appellant. Stop. Not only this, the Panchayatnama of dead body Exhibit P2 of the deceased prepared by the police indicates that the deceased at the time of her death was having several ornaments both of silver and gold which were found on her body. For example, the earrings of silver, anklet of silver in both the legs, gold ring on the little finger of the right hand, and silver ring in the middle finger of the left hand, etc. Stop. Motive of loot thus stand weakened by reason of the fact that all the ornaments of the deceased were found intact on her body. Stop. Even otherwise, the amount of rupees 1050 has not been recovered and investigating agency has failed to prove as to where the amount has ultimately gone. Stop passage. The third circumstance relied against the accused to base his conviction is that there were signs of struggle found at the place of incident. Stop. This circumstance by itself does not lead to any proof against the accused appellant because there is no direct evidence and entire case of the prosecution is based or circumstantial evidence. Stop. The fourth circumstance is to the effect that blood-stained kulhari and blood-stained clothes were recovered at the instance of the accused appellant. Stop. In this regard, Sohan Singh PW2, who is husband of deceased Geeta, in his examination in chief, has categorically stated that when they went towards Doli Dant in search of Geeta while climbing the steps of Chamunda temple, they found the dead body of Geeta. Stop. They also saw a kulhari lying nearby. Stop. In cross-examination, this witness again stated that kulhari was lying near dead body of his wife and this kulhari was picked up by the police. Stop. Police then carried the kulhari with them. Stop. He also stated that not only he but Dhara Singh, Jairam, Bhavani Singh and Karan Singh and other persons accompanied him while searching for Geeta and they saw kulhari lying near her dead body. Stop. Manmohan PW10 in cross-examination stated that he was also with Sohan Singh while they were on search of Geeta. Stop. In cross-examination, however, he stated that he did not see kulhari. Stop. Kulhari kulhari. Doli Dant Dauli space DANT